Question 24. A fence 2.4 meters tall is 10 meters away from a tree of height 16 meters. Calculate the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the top of the fence. Let's draw the diagram. The first thing I notice is that the fence is shorter than the tree. So the fence is just 2.4 meters, right? That's the fence. Whereas the tree is 16 meters. So, and it's 10 meters away. So let's have our 10 meters. These are 10 meters apart. And the tree is this tall. They say it is what? 16 meters. Okay. A fence 2.4 meters tall is 10 meters away from a tree of height 16 meters. Okay, we've established that. Calculate the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from where? The top of the fence. So this is where we are. From means wherever you see from, go there. That's where you are measuring your angle. So we are measuring this tree top from the fence. Okay, from the top of the fence. And what is angle of elevation? How you raise your eyes from the horizontal to look at whatever you are looking at. So this is the angle of elevation. It's always measured from the horizontal. Don't measure it from the vertical. Students make the mistake of thinking it's from here down here. No, it's just from the horizontal up. Is that okay? So I think we have our angle. So this is what we are looking for. Let me put that as x. That's the angle we are looking for. Okay, so to find this angle, if I like, I can draw out my triangle if I like, so that I won't be confused by whatever I'm seeing anywhere else. So this is what I'm looking for. And from here to here is what? Since from here to here is 10, it therefore means from here to here is also 10. Look at this. This is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So we have that. Then from here to, students make the mistake of using this as 16. So they will write 16 here and think that this from here to here is actually 16. It is not 16. Look at this. From here to here is 16. That's the height of the tree. We agree. But look at, here is 2.4. So this is also 2.4. So it means from here down here is no longer 16. 2.4 has been taken out of 16. Subtract 2.4 from 16. That leaves you with 13.6. So that is your work. Okay, this is your work. So what relationship exists between the opposite side of an angle and the adjacent side? Tan. Tan says that. Tan says tan x. Tan says opposite over adjacent. So you have tan x is equals to 13.6 over 10. This is 1.36 tan x. So x will be what? Half tan or inverse tan 1.36. And what's the answer? 53.673, which is approximately 54 degrees. And that is option B, 53.67 degrees. 53.67 degrees. That is our answer.